In this video, we are going to see how we can block the adult websites on Microsoft Edge. It is very simple and easy to do. What you can do is just go to the top right hand corner and go to the three dots, click on the settings right here. And once we are in the settings, on the left hand side, we see privacy, search and services. Just go ahead and click on this particular option. And here we see different sections. We will find the security here. Click on that. And we want to find use secure DNS. Make sure it is enabled. And it is set to use current service provider. We want to change this to choose a service provider. And we can use any of these filters or DNS. So we will use clean browsing for family filters. And just go back once. And I recommend you to open this options again. Go to the settings. Click on privacy and search, go to security, and make sure all of these settings are properly saved. So once the settings are enabled, it will automatically block all the adult websites for you in Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.